Many people believe that knee pain after the age of 50 is just something you have to accept, but that's not true at all. Research shows that with the right approach, you can reduce inflammation, restore flexibility, and even regain movement you thought was gone for good. And the best part? The ingredients you need are both simple to find and budget-friendly. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective recipes using these ingredients, and reveal which ones truly make a difference. Here's something that might surprise you. For years, doctors assumed that once the cartilage in your knees began to wear away, nothing could be done to protect it or slow the damage. But newer studies paint a much more hopeful picture. The cartilage cells in your knees are still alive, still active, and capable of responding to the right kind of nutritional support. Now, let's take a closer look at what's really going on inside your knees. If you're over 45 and dealing with pain, stiffness, fatigue, stubborn weight, or just not feeling like yourself, stop guessing what's wrong. Here's the truth. Cartilage doesn't have its own blood supply, which makes it difficult for nutrients to reach those cells. However, scientists have found that certain natural compounds can penetrate and nourish them, allowing them to work more effectively. Think of your cartilage cells like workers in a factory. For years, they've been forced to do their job with limited supplies while battling constant setbacks from inflammation. When you supply the right nutrients and reduce inflammation, those workers finally get the tools they need to protect and maintain what's left of your cartilage. The real secret isn't about magically rebuilding lost cartilage. It's about supporting what you still have and slowing the wear and tear process. When this balance is achieved, something amazing happens. Your knees start to feel stronger, more flexible, and you can return to activities you've been avoiding. And here's where collagen comes in. Collagen is the primary structural protein in our joints, and it forms the foundation of cartilage. The smooth, cushion-like tissue that allows bones in the knees to move without grinding against each other. As we age, however, the body's natural collagen production slows down significantly. This decline is one of the main reasons seniors experience stiff, fragile joints and a greater risk of cartilage thinning. Without enough collagen, the cartilage weakens, leading to more friction, pain, and reduced mobility. Fortunately, research has shown that supplementing with hydrolyzed collagen peptides can help support joint health. Hydrolyzed collagen is broken down into smaller amino acids that are easier for the body to absorb and use. Studies on seniors with osteoarthritis found that collagen supplementation not only reduced joint pain but also improved flexibility and daily function. This makes it one of the most promising natural remedies for preserving knee health. When it comes to choosing the right type, Type 2 collagen is considered the most effective for cartilage repair because it directly targets the connective tissue in joints. Collagen supplements are widely available in powdered form, which makes them easy to add to everyday routines. Whether that's mixing it into a glass of water, blending it into a smoothie, or even stirring it into a morning cup of coffee or tea. To get the maximum benefit from collagen, it's also important to combine it with foods rich in vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a vital role in collagen synthesis, meaning it helps your body turn those collagen peptides into stronger, healthier connective tissue. Simple additions like oranges, bell peppers, strawberries, or even a squeeze of lemon in your water can greatly enhance absorption. By consistently combining collagen supplementation with a diet rich in vitamin C, seniors can give their knees the tools they need to maintain strength, flexibility, and long-term joint comfort. Number 2. Turmeric and ginger for pain relief. When it comes to natural remedies for joint discomfort, turmeric and ginger stand out as two of the most effective and widely researched options. Both of these spices have been used for centuries in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurvedic and Chinese practices, for their powerful ability to reduce pain and inflammation. Since inflammation is the root cause of stiffness, swelling, and cartilage breakdown in the knees, tackling it directly is one of the best ways to find lasting relief. Turmeric's healing power comes from its active compound called curcumin. Scientific studies have shown that curcumin works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, similar to how some anti-inflammatory drugs work, but without the harsh side effects. For seniors, this can mean less knee swelling, improved flexibility, and reduced morning stiffness. However, one important detail is that curcumin is not easily absorbed on its own. Pairing turmeric with a small amount of black pepper, which contains piperine, can increase absorption by up to 2,000%. That's why many supplements and home remedies combine turmeric with black pepper for maximum effect. Ginger, on the other hand, contains a natural compound called gingerol, which acts almost like a built-in pain reliever. Gingerol helps block inflammatory signals in the body and also reduces oxidative stress, which can damage joint tissue over time. Many seniors find that adding ginger to their diet not only eases soreness but also improves overall mobility. Fresh ginger tea is one of the simplest and most soothing ways to enjoy its benefits, and it can be taken daily without harmful effects. The real secret to turmeric and ginger is consistency. A teaspoon of turmeric mixed into warm milk, smoothies, or meals, always with a pinch of black pepper, taken daily can bring noticeable improvements over several weeks. Likewise, sipping on ginger tea, using fresh grated ginger in cooking, or taking ginger capsules can help keep inflammation under control. While results may not happen overnight, regular use of these natural remedies can gradually reduce knee discomfort, making it easier for seniors to stay active and enjoy daily life with less pain. Number 3. Omega-3 Plan for Joints. Omega-3 fatty acids are one of the most powerful nutrients when it comes to supporting knee health and protecting aging joints. These healthy fats are found in abundance in fatty fish such as salmon, sardines, mackerel, and tuna, and they play several vital roles in keeping cartilage strong and flexible. One of their key benefits is reducing inflammation, which is often the root cause of joint stiffness and pain. By lowering the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, omega-3s help calm swollen knees, making movement less painful and more fluid. In addition to easing inflammation, omega-3s also help protect cartilage from breaking down. Research has shown that these fatty acids support the production of joint protective molecules, which act like a shield for the cartilage surface. They also improve the lubrication of joints, reducing friction between bones and preventing further wear and tear. For seniors who want to maintain mobility, this combination of anti-inflammatory action and cartilage protection makes omega-3s an essential part of a joint care plan. For those who don't eat fish regularly, high-quality supplements can be an excellent alternative. Fish oil capsules are the most common option, but algae-based omega-3 supplements are available for people who prefer plant-based sources. These supplements provide two important forms of omega-3s, EPA and DHA. Experts generally recommend aiming for at least 1,000 milligrams of combined EPA and DHA per day for joint health. The benefits of regular omega-3 intake are well documented. Seniors who consistently include these healthy fats in their diet often experience less morning stiffness, greater flexibility, and improved walking ability. Many also find that they rely less on over-the-counter pain medications because omega-3s provide natural relief. Whether through grilled salmon twice a week, a handful of walnuts and flax seeds, or a daily supplement, making omega-3s a routine part of the diet can be a true game-changer for lasting knee comfort and mobility. Number 4. Fruits and minerals that calm joints. Diet is one of the most powerful tools for managing joint pain and protecting cartilage, and certain fruits and minerals have unique properties that directly benefit the knees. Fruits such as cherries, blueberries, and oranges are packed with antioxidants, especially compounds called anthocyanins and vitamin C. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cartilage cells and speed up joint aging. For example, studies show that tart cherries can lower markers of inflammation in the body, which helps reduce knee pain and swelling. Blueberries, with their high levels of flavonoids, support tissue repair, while oranges and other citrus fruits provide vitamin C, an essential nutrient for building collagen, the protein that keeps cartilage strong and elastic. Minerals are equally important when it comes to joint comfort. Magnesium helps relax tight muscles around the knees, reducing unnecessary strain on the joint. It also plays a role in bone strength, making it a valuable nutrient for seniors. Potassium, on the other hand, helps maintain fluid balance in the body and reduces excess sodium, which can otherwise worsen inflammation. Foods like bananas, avocados, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens are rich sources of these minerals and can easily be added to daily meals or snacks. Along with magnesium and potassium, calcium and vitamin D are critical for building and maintaining strong bones. Without a solid bone structure, the knees and other joints are more vulnerable to damage and pain. Dairy products, fortified plant milks, almonds, and leafy greens provide calcium, while vitamin D can be obtained from sunlight, fatty fish, or supplements if needed. The two nutrients work together. Calcium strengthens bones, and vitamin D ensures that calcium is absorbed effectively. By eating a colorful mix of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds, seniors can nourish their joints from the inside out. This type of diet not only helps calm inflamed knees but also strengthens the entire joint system, supporting cartilage, muscles, and bones all at once. Over time, these nutrient-rich foods create a natural shield against pain, stiffness, and further cartilage damage, allowing seniors to move more freely and comfortably. Daily routine and timing for better knees. Natural remedies and supplements for knee health are most effective when paired with a consistent daily routine. For seniors, it's not just what you take or what you do, it's also when you do it. Timing plays a key role in absorption, effectiveness, and how the body responds. Creating a structured routine ensures that the knees receive steady support throughout the day without overwhelming the system at once. Starting the morning with collagen or omega-3 supplements alongside a balanced breakfast can be especially beneficial. Collagen peptides are best absorbed with food, and pairing them with vitamin C-rich fruits in the morning helps boost their effectiveness. Similarly, omega-3s taken with breakfast, which usually contain some healthy fats, are absorbed more efficiently and provide sustained energy for the day ahead. This early start gives the joints the nutrients they need to handle daily movement. Mid-morning or early afternoon is the ideal time for gentle exercises and stretching routines. By this point in the day, the body has warmed up naturally, reducing stiffness and lowering the risk of strain. Activities such as light walking, yoga, or mobility stretches at this time not only ease joint pressure but also help deliver nutrients into the cartilage through movement. For seniors, even 10 to 15 minutes of gentle activity can significantly improve flexibility and circulation. Evenings are best reserved for calming remedies that prepare the body for rest and recovery. Anti-inflammatory teas such as turmeric with black pepper or fresh ginger tea work particularly well at this time, soothing inflammation and promoting relaxation before bedtime. This allows the body to heal overnight while reducing the likelihood of waking up with stiff or swollen knees. Gentle movement and lasting results. While good nutrition lays the foundation for strong joints, movement is equally important for protecting and maintaining knee cartilage. Unlike other tissues in the body, cartilage does not have its own blood supply to deliver nutrients. Instead, it depends on regular movement to pump vital nutrients and oxygen into the joint space. This means that every step, stretch, and gentle motion plays a direct role in nourishing and preserving cartilage health. For seniors, incorporating the right kinds of movements into daily life can make a significant difference in how knees feel and function over time. Walking is one of the simplest yet most effective options, keeping the knees active while also supporting cardiovascular health. Cycling, whether outdoors or on a stationary bike, allows smooth movement that strengthens leg muscles without heavy impact. Swimming and water aerobics are especially joint-friendly because water supports body weight, reducing pressure on the knees while still giving muscles a full workout. Yoga and gentle stretching also improve flexibility, balance, and muscle strength, which in turn stabilize the knees and prevent further strain. The key is consistency rather than intensity. Seniors don't need to engage in long or exhausting exercise sessions. Just 15 to 20 minutes of gentle activity per day can be enough to improve flexibility, strengthen surrounding muscles, and enhance stability in the knees. Over time, these small, consistent efforts add up to major improvements in joint function and overall mobility. And if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who may benefit. Your support helps me keep creating more health tips just for you.